Why don't cryptocurrency enthusiasts ever fight? Because they know the value of staying crypt. Now that's a little humor to brighten your day. But on a more serious note, we're sliding into the realm of cryptocurrency wallets today. These wallets are the vaults that safeguard your digital treasures. They're pretty much your personal Fort Knox in the crypto world. Curious about them? Well, you're in the right place. All right, enough jokes. Let's dive into the world of cryptocurrency wallets. Picture this. Your cryptocurrency wallet is like a digital bank account. You wouldn't stuff stacks of cash under your mattress, would you? Instead, you'd safely store it in a bank. Similarly, your digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others need a secure place to reside. That's where cryptocurrency wallets come into play. Let's simplify this. Your cryptocurrency wallet is essentially a software program that stores your digital coins. It's your personal interface to the blockchain, the mighty ledger where all cryptocurrency transactions get recorded. But it's not just a storage unit. It also enables you to send and receive cryptocurrencies through blockchain transactions. Now you might be thinking, why can't I just keep my digital currencies on the exchange where I bought them? Well, you could, but it's not the safest option. Exchanges are hot targets for hackers. Plus, if the exchange goes under or faces technical issues, you could lose access to your precious digital wealth. A cryptocurrency wallet gives you control and ownership over your digital assets. It holds your private keys. Think of these as the PIN to your bank account. These keys are what allow you to authorize transactions and access your digital wealth. There's a saying in the crypto world, not your keys, not your coins. This means that if you don't control the private keys to your cryptocurrencies, they're not truly yours. So, having a dedicated cryptocurrency wallet is an essential part of being a responsible and secure digital investor. Here's a pro tip. Never share your private keys with anyone, and always back them up. Losing these keys is akin to losing your wallet in the physical world. And guess what? There's no recovery service in the crypto world. So, just as you wouldn't want to lose your physical wallet, you wouldn't want to lose your crypto wallet either. Remember, in the vast digital ocean of cryptocurrencies, your crypto wallet is your safe harbor. It's the guardian of your digital wealth. Not all cryptocurrency wallets are created equal. This is an adage that rings true in the diverse world of blockchain technology. Today we're going to delve into the different types of cryptocurrency wallets, highlighting the unique features of each. First up, we have hardware wallets. These physical devices store your private keys offline, keeping them safe from online threats. Imagine it as a high-tech vault for your digital coins, impenetrable to hackers lurking on the internet. Brands like Trezor and Ledger are popular choices, offering top-notch security for your crypto assets. However, keep in mind that these wallets come with a price tag, so they may not be the best option if you're just dipping your toes into the crypto world. Next, let's talk about software wallets. These are programs that you can install on your computer or mobile device. Software wallets provide a balance between security and convenience. They're safer than web wallets since they don't rely on third-party servers, but they're also more accessible than hardware wallets since you don't need to carry around a physical device. Examples include Exodus and Electrum, both offering user-friendly interfaces for managing your crypto assets. Speaking of convenience, mobile wallets deserve a mention. They're basically software wallets designed for smartphones, allowing you to manage your cryptocurrencies on the go. Imagine being able to pay for your morning coffee with Bitcoin, or sending Ethereum to a friend while waiting for your bus. Mobile wallets like Mycelium and Coinomi make these scenarios possible. Last but not least, we have web wallets. These are online platforms where you can store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies. Web wallets are incredibly convenient since you can access them from any device with an internet connection. However, they're also the least secure type of wallet, as they store your private keys on third-party servers, making them vulnerable to hacking. Examples include blockchain.com and MyEtherWallet. It's important to note that each type of wallet has its own unique features and quirks. Some wallets are designed for security, while others prioritize convenience. Some wallets support a wide range of cryptocurrencies, while others only support a handful. Some wallets have intuitive interfaces, while others are packed with advanced features for experienced users. In the end, it all boils down to your specific needs and how you plan to use your cryptocurrencies. Are you a long-term investor looking for maximum security? Then a hardware wallet might be your best bet. Are you a casual user who values convenience? Then a mobile or web wallet might be more up your alley. Are you somewhere in between? Then a software wallet might strike the right balance for you. Remember, choosing the right wallet depends on your specific needs and how you plan to use your cryptocurrencies. So take your time, do your research, and choose wisely. After all, your wallet is more than just a tool for managing your crypto assets. It's your personal gateway to the exciting world of blockchain technology. Security is paramount when it comes to your hard-earned cryptocurrencies. In the fascinating world of crypto, where fortunes can be made overnight, the importance of security cannot be overstated. So let's delve into the security features of different types of wallets. First off, we have the hardware wallets. Consider these the Fort Knox of crypto wallets. They store your private keys offline on a physical device, making them immune to online threats. These wallets are built to withstand even the most determined hackers. Brands like Trezor and Ledger are leading the pack with state-of-the-art security features, including pins, passphrases, and recovery seeds. However, they do come with a price tag, and the responsibility of not losing the physical device lies with you. Next up, we have software wallets. While they don't offer the same level of security as hardware wallets, they still provide robust protection. They are programs that you can install on your computer or smartphone. They encrypt your private keys and store them on your device, making it harder for hackers to get their hands on your digital gold. They are generally free, but they are vulnerable to malware, phishing scams, and device theft. Finally, let's talk about mobile wallets. These are essentially software wallets designed for your smartphone. They offer the convenience of accessing your crypto on the go. However, they share the same vulnerabilities as software wallets. In addition, if your phone gets lost or stolen, your crypto might be at risk. That being said, most mobile wallets have security measures in place, like biometric authentication and two-factor authentication, to enhance their security. Remember, no wallet is completely foolproof. It is crucial to keep your software up to date, use strong, unique passwords, and be wary of phishing attempts. So if you're holding a significant amount of crypto, you might want to consider a hardware wallet. It might cost you a bit, but the peace of mind it offers is priceless. After all, in the world of cryptocurrency, security isn't just an option, it's a necessity. Need to access your crypto on the go? Then you'll want a wallet that's as mobile as you are. Now let's delve into how different wallets offer varying levels of access. It's a bit like choosing the right vehicle for your commute. If you're zipping around the city, a compact car or a bike might be perfect. But for a cross-country trip, you'll want something with a bit more heft and durability. In the world of cryptocurrency, mobile and web wallets are your city bikes, while hardware wallets are the cross-country camper vans. Mobile wallets are the epitome of convenience. They're like having a bank in your pocket, offering you swift access to your cryptocurrencies right from your smartphone. With just a few taps, you can make transactions, check your balance, and even interact with decentralized apps. They're great for those who like to trade on the go or need quick access to their assets. Just remember, convenience often comes with a trade-off in security. Web wallets follow in the footsteps of mobile wallets when it comes to accessibility. They are readily available from any device with an internet connection. This makes them highly versatile and convenient. Whether you're on your laptop at a cafe or your desktop at home, your crypto is just a few clicks away. But, like mobile wallets, they can be vulnerable to online threats. On the other end of the spectrum, we have hardware wallets. These are physical devices like USB sticks designed to securely store your crypto offline, away from prying eyes and malicious software. They're the Fort Knox of crypto wallets. While they're not as immediately accessible as their mobile and web counterparts, they shine when it comes to long-term storage and security. They're ideal for those who plan to hold on to their crypto for a while. So when it comes to choosing a wallet, it's not just about security or user-friendliness. It's also about how and when you'll need access to your cryptocurrencies. Think about how often you'll need to access your crypto before choosing a wallet. Not all of us are tech whizzes, and that's okay. The realm of cryptocurrency doesn't have to be a confusing labyrinth of technical jargon and complex interfaces. Today, we're going to take a look at how different wallets stack up in terms of user-friendliness. First up, let's talk about web wallets. These are typically easy to set up and navigate, making them a good choice for beginners. They offer a straightforward experience with clear instructions and a clean, intuitive interface. However, as with everything in life, not all web wallets are created equal. It's important to find one that prioritizes ease of use without compromising on security. Next, we have hardware wallets. These are physical devices that you plug into your computer to access your crypto. While they offer superior security, they can be a bit more challenging to set up and use, especially for those who are not as technologically inclined. But don't be discouraged. With a bit of patience and a willingness to learn, you can get the hang of it. Then we have the mobile wallets. Oh, the beauty of modern technology. Mobile wallets are as convenient as it gets. They are literally at your fingertips, ready to use at a moment's notice. The user interfaces are designed to be as simple and familiar as any other app on your phone. Lastly, there's the desktop wallet. These are software programs that you download and install on your computer. They can be a bit more complex to navigate, but they often offer more features and control over your crypto assets. If you're someone who likes to have all the bells and whistles, then a desktop wallet might be your cup of tea. In the end, the most user-friendly wallet is the one that meets your individual needs and comfort level. Are you looking for simplicity and ease of use? Or are you willing to navigate a steeper learning curve for more control and features? The choice, as they say, is yours. Remember, a wallet that's easy to use can make your crypto journey much smoother. So take your time, do your research, and find a wallet that makes you feel like a crypto pro, even if you're just starting out. Sadly, where there's money involved, there are also scams. The world of cryptocurrency wallets is no exception to this rule. But don't worry, with a little bit of knowledge and a keen eye, you can safeguard your digital assets from these malicious schemes. Let's start with the most common one, phishing scams. This involves fraudsters posing as legitimate wallet services, trying to trick you into giving them your private keys or login credentials. They might send you an email with a link to a fake website that looks identical to the real one, or they might send you a message on social media. Remember, your private keys are like the keys to your house. Once someone has them, they can access all your assets. So never share them with anyone, and always make sure you're on the correct website before entering your details. Next, be aware of wallet cloning. In this scam, fraudsters create a copy of a well-known wallet service, complete with a similar name and logo. It's easy to fall for this trick if you're not paying close attention. The best way to protect yourself is to always download wallets from the official website or app store. Then there's the good old Ponzi scheme, repackaged for the crypto world. Fraudsters promise sky-high returns, but in reality, they're just using the money from new investors to pay off the old ones. Remember, if something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Always do your own research and don't invest based on promises alone. Lastly, let's talk about fake support scams. Here, fraudsters pose as customer support representatives, offering to help you with a problem, but with the hidden agenda of stealing your funds. Always use the official support channels of your wallet service and never give control of your wallet to anyone else. To sum it up, the best way to avoid cryptocurrency wallet scams is to stay informed, be skeptical, and always do your due diligence. And remember, the responsibility to protect your digital assets falls on you. Stay vigilant, stay safe. That's a wrap on cryptocurrency wallets. We've taken a deep dive into the cryptoverse, surfacing with a treasure trove of knowledge that'll help you navigate the murky waters of digital currencies with confidence and ease. We started by unraveling the mystery behind cryptocurrency wallets, dispelling any confusion about what they are and how they function. Then we explored the different types of wallets available, from handy mobile and web wallets to ultra-secure hardware and paper wallets. We compared these wallets on various fronts, such as security, accessibility, and user-friendliness. We discovered that while some wallets might boast top-notch security, they might fall short in terms of accessibility and user-friendliness. Conversely, wallets that are a breeze to use may not offer the most robust security. It's all about finding a balance that suits your individual needs and comfort levels. But the journey doesn't end there. We also dived into the darker side of the cryptoverse, discussing wallet scams and how to spot, report, and avoid them. With the knowledge we've shared, you'll be well equipped to steer clear of any potential pitfalls. Now, it's your turn to jump into the fray. For more tips on navigating the crypto world, check out our other videos. And don't forget to share your cryptocurrency wallet experiences in the comments. Remember, knowledge is power, and sharing is caring. I'm Joshua Carnival, and this is my channel. Let us know by like if something from this video was new or important for you. Comment below with any topic that sparks your curiosity or ignites your passion, and let's dive deeper together. Your voice matters. Stay tuned for a whirlwind of captivating content. Your journey with us is just beginning. Hit subscribe and brace yourself for a wild ride.